we're going to be doing a fire alarm tour of a Fairfield Inn and Suites. Here's a spectral advanced horn strobe and a Silent Night BG12. Yeah. That's one. Spectral advanced horn remote strobe over there. And another one horn strobe over there. Look at that camera up there. It's tiny, right? Spectral advanced horn strobe in there. Another spectral advanced horn strobe and an exit sign. Here's a exit stairs and the fire main thing. Here we are going to floor number 2. Hold on. Come on. Another spectral advanced horn strobe in there. Right here. Sorry. Exit sign. Look at that camera up there. It's tiny. The fire extinguisher box. No, hold on. The elevator, ice machine, and the spectral advanced horn strobe. Camera. Spectral advanced horn strobe, and then horn strobe. I mean, exit sign. No. We're up to floor 3 now. Exit sign. Fire extinguisher box. And another spectral advanced horn strobe. Exit sign. Ice machine. Spectral advance. And a camera. The elevator. Schindler elevator. Exit sign. Fire extinguisher box. A spectral advance horn strobe and an exit sign. These hotel rooms are. Alright. Fire extinguisher box. We got a spectral advance horn strobe and exit sign right there. And hold on. Go here. We'll leave them. Floor 3 now. Alright, one more floor to go and then we can see the bathrooms and the pool on the way. The exit stairs. And another exit sign. Oh look, it's me. Hi, me. Okay. The exit sign, exact location, a smoke detector, spectral advance horn strobe, these lights, smoke detector, exit sign. Oh god, good. Look at that camera up there, it's tiny.
Huh?
Look at the camera. A spectral advance horn strobe and a thermostat, fire extinguisher box, exit sign, the elevator, the camera, in the same old spectral advanced horn strobe. Oh, exit sign. Wait, I'm doing. Fire extinguisher box, a spectral advance horn strobe, and the engineer's office. Exit sign and the exit stairs. Alright, down to the pool and the restrooms. Here's the fitness center, spectral advance. I don't know. A spectral advance. Oh, and here in the men's restroom. The men's restroom. And we have another spectral advance remote strobe. Now, I'm gonna move out and be right back. Here's the pool. We have another over there. Another spectral advance remote horn strobe. It's mounted on the back box. And we have another one there, which is mounted on another back box too. So yeah. Emergency. Here's the pool. Right there. Exact same location. Another spectral advance horn strobe. And they're right there. A thermostat. For display. You're not the part of the tour. So we're done.